Hello students, welcome to the next session of Air Pollution Control Techniques and Open Elective course. In previous session, we have discussed history of air pollution and major accidents and disaster took place in the past due to air pollution. Adverse meteorological condition and build-up of concentration of a specific pollutant, whether it is major reason behind that accidents and disaster which were took place due to air pollutants. In today's session, we are going to cover global concerns of air pollutants, effects of air pollutants. The objective of this session is to demonstrate an understanding of the basics of global issues faced due to air pollutants, detrimental effect of air pollutants, and how they affects human and its environment by successfully completing the review questions at the end of this chapter. Due to discharge of large quantity of air pollutants from the various sources, global concerns like greenhouse gas effect, global warming, ozone layer depletion, acid rain, and photochemical smog is observed. We will discuss cause and effects of the global challenges. Global treaties like Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, which are developed to address the effect of this global issue, will be discussed in detail. We will understand the effect of 6 criteria pollutants on human health and environment. We will also discuss harmful effect of air pollutants on vegetation, material or properties. So, at the end of this session, you will able to discuss cause and effect of global challenges like greenhouse gas effect, ozone layer depletion, acid rain, etc. You will able to list 6 criteria pollutant and its effect on human health and environmental effect. You will able to recognize general types of damage on vegetation and property that can be caused by means of pollutant. So with this, I welcome you all in the next session of air pollution control techniques. Thank you.